Now, to be a true master chef, you have to be able to take a stunning bird like this and break it down into all its delicious parts.
Yep.
It's so easy. Honestly, for me, I could do it with my eyes closed.
Really, Gordon?
Yeah.
All right, well, here's the deal.
Go on.
Oh, man. Put that on for size, my friend.
Lord have mercy.
Oh, my gosh.
Unbelievable.
He's actually gonna cut up this chicken with a blindfold? Wow.
2 drums, 2 thighs, 2 wings, 2 breasts, 1 carcass. You watching up there?
Yes, chef.
Lift up the knife, pierce back the skin, and literally slice through. Pull back, pop out at joint. Come round, slice off. Again, pierce, pull back, pop out. Slice down. From there, feel where the knuckle is. Off. 1 thigh, 1 drum. Now for the exciting part, chicken wing. Cut through the wing. Snap off.
Unreal.
Snap off. Back to the main part of the bird. Feel the breastbone down the middle. Come through the wishbone. And let the knife do the work. Breast on. Peel back that skin. Very carefully feel the knife. In. Through. Down.
Incredible.
Pull back the fillet. And off. 1 carcass, 2 drums, 2 thighs, 2 wings, 2 breasts. Done.
Well done. Well done.
Easy.
Zorro Ramsay.